Hi everyone, myself Mrs. P. Nirmala, Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, the Erode College of Pharmacy, Erode. Today we are going to discuss about the radiopharmaceuticals. Definition. A branch of pharmacy deals with the manufacturing and dispensing of radioactive materials is referred as radiopharmacy. Radiopharmaceuticals are specially designed products that are used therapeutically for the treatment and diagnosis of the diseases. Their usages are very restricted and are primarily used for the diagnostic purposes. Hazards of radiopharmaceutics. The radioactive particles affects the biological issues. These depends on various factors. Number 1, the ability of the radiation to penetrate tissues. Number 2, the energy of radiation. Number 3, type of partial tissues. Number 4, surface area exposed. And number 5, dose rate of the radiation. Number 1, induction of cancer. Induction of cancer is the biggest threat of those who are exposed to even very low level radiations. Activation of those type of oncogene cause various types of cancers like breast cancer, thyroid cancer, lung cancer, etc. Number 2, genetics on the embryo. Genetics risks in humans are largely based on the study performance on animals since there is no significant demonstration of the radiation induced gene mutation in humans. Number 3, effect of embryo. Since embryo is sensitive to radiation during the diagnostic procedures, the exposure rate for the embryo is kept under 5 rats. Number 4, lactation. During lactation, there is a high risk of using radiopharmaceuticals as it may not be safe to the child via milk. To overcome this problem, a safe interval of time is taken between the administration of the radiopharmaceutical and the breastfeeding. Now, precautions in handling of radiopharmaceuticals. Number 1, the radioactive materials should not contaminate the working area. Number 2, in case the radioactive materials is liquid, the material should be carried in trays having absorbent tissue paper for absorbing any accidental spillage. Number 3, while handling the liquid radioactive materials, rubber gloves should be carried in trays having absorbent tissue paper for absorbing any accidental spillage. Number 4. Activities like eating, smoking and drinking are strictly prohibited in the area of radioactive work. Number 5. Forceps should be used in well-labeled containers using bricks. Now, its storage condition of radiopharmaceuticals. Number 1, the pharmaceuticals are stored in airtight containers in a shield place. Number 2, the containers of the radiopharmaceuticals may become dark due to the irradiation. Last is the application of the radiopharmaceuticals, and the therapeutic applications is it is used in the treatment of cancer. Teletherapy. This technique utilizes high active gamma emitting isotopes are used to treat lesions by applying them directly on the affected part. Thank you.